Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set take profit and stop loss on Bitget futures. First, go to the Bitget website and make sure you log it in. Now, click on Futures from the top menu. Then, go to USDT M futures and select the trading pair like BTC or USDT. Once the futures trading page opens, you'll see the chart and order panel side by side. Now, from the left side of the panel, choose either limit or market order based on your preference. Then, enter the price and quantity of your trade. After that, check the box labeled TP or SL to enable take profit and stop loss options. Now, profit your take profit price and stop loss price as per your strategy. Finally, choose whatever you want to open lock or open short depending on your market prediction. That's it. Your future trades will now be placed on both TP and SL settings to manage your risk and potential gains. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.